let's have a look at how to use basic string methods. Now first I have the string s1 is equal to hello. The first basic method is to convert this string into uppercase. So we use s1 dot upper and the brackets. Nothing in the brackets, just upper and brackets. And when you click enter, it will say hello, capital HELLO. Now if you want all in lowercase, so I'll do s1 dot lower, and now HELLO. Now you can see the first capital H is converted to lowercase. Next is to capitalize the start of any string. So for that we can write s1 dot capitalize. Take a better example over here. So s2 is equal to all small world, and now if I do s2 dot capitalize, so only the first letter of the string world is capitalized, so W is capital. Next is ends with. We can see what the string ends with. So we write so we have the string s1 hello and s2 world. These are our two strings which we are going to work on, and s1 dot ends with, and then we write the character, so O, so it returns true. Now let's do a character which is not in the string, P, so it returns false. Next method is to find index. So again we have a string s1 is equal to hello, and in this we write s1 dot index, and we can find the index of it E. We can find the index of the character E, so it says 1. Next method is to check if the string is alphanumeric. So we use s1 dot is alnum. So it is true because it is alphabets. Even though there are no numbers, it is alphabets. Next is s1 dot is digit. So it checks if the string has digits, only digits. So it is false because there are no numbers in the string. Next is s1 dot is alpha. So since the string has all alphabets, it has alphabets, and that's why it will return true. Now I'll take a string s2 is equal to 22 as a string, and now let me see is digit. So s2 dot is digit will return true. Now again we can check if the string is in lowercase. First we convert it to lowercase. Now we're checking if a string is in lowercase. So in that case we can just do s1 dot is lower, so it returns false because the first letter is capital. Now suppose I have the string s2 is equal to hello world, like hello space world. So I can replace the word world with Python. So it gets replaced with Python. So it becomes hello space Python. So these are all the basic methods which are commonly used in Python.